A cough syrup for babies is being recalled because it could be contaminated with a bacteria that can cause vomiting or diarrhea, according to the Food and Drug Administration (FDA). DGhealth NATURALS Baby Cough Syrup Mucus, produced in Massena, NY, is being recalled because it could potentially be contaminated with Bacillus cereus or Bacillus circulans, a recall notice released Wednesday said. Bacillus circulans, according to the Canadian government, has low risks to human health. Bacillus cereus can cause two kinds of gastrointestinal illness. According to the notice, the illnesses tend to be mild, but there have been more serious and even lethal cases. Infants, young children and those with weakened immune systems are at risk for more hazardous forms of the illnesses. However, there have not yet been any reports of illness in connection with the recalled cough medicine, the notice said. Kingston Pharma, LLC produces the cough syrup and is recalling lot KL1800157 of the product. It was sold in 2 fluid-ounce 59 ml bottles and was distributed nationwide in Dollar General stores. It comes in a carton labeled, DGhealth Baby Cough Syrup Mucus and has an expiration date of 11/20 on the bottom of the carton and the back of the bottle label. Audit testing found the bacteria in some of the bottles in the recalled lot. According to the notice, 1 in 10 bottles showed low levels of Bacillus cereus, the more dangerous bacteria, and 2 in 10 bottles showed low levels of Bacillus circulans. The notice advises anyone who bought the cough syrup from the recalled lot to return it to the retailer where they bought it for a full refund.